is Local 2, Train to 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Attention everyone. 2 trains are not running between 3rd Avenue, 149th Street and 135th Street because of track maintenance. For service between 3rd Avenue, 149th Street and 135th Street, take the free shuttle bus.
The next and last stop is 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. This is 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. Transfer to the BX41 Select Bus Service. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
There is Bronx-bound Local 5, Train to 149th Street, Grand Concourse. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Attention passengers, 5 trains are not running between 149th Street, Grand Concourse, and East 180th Street because of track maintenance. As an alternative, take the 2 train.
This is a Bronx-bound 5 train. The next and last stop is 149th Street, Grand Concourse. This is 149th Street, Grand Concourse. Transfer is available to 2 and 4 trains.
Downtown Express 4, Train to Bowling Green. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Attention passengers, 4 trains are not running between Bowling Green and Gillis Avenue because of track maintenance. As an alternative, take the 2 or 3 train. For service between Franklin Avenue and Gillis Avenue, take the 3 train. Transfer at Fulton Street for the 2 or 3 train.
The next and last stop is Bowling Green. This is Bowling Green. Transfer is available to Staten Island Ferry. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the